Fracture mechanics. The extended range module from Total Materia offers data on the fracture mechanics of thousands of materials, including this aerospace aluminum. The data has been collected from a number of verified sources, from which you can choose using the selection tree, or use the array of filters to select a condition that is relevant for your project. Each condition is shown with a description of the material and the experiment, along with a diagram in Total Materia's live data format. The source of the data is always listed at the bottom of the page. Ask your representative about adding extended range to your Total Materia subscription.